Let's go. So it's early in the morning, guys, but you know, I'm excited. We got a trip ahead of us here in the good old Scat Pack, but it's gonna be funny because we gotta hit a cold start, and I've never, you know, I'm not a morning person, so you know, getting up this early, the fresh cut. And of course we got Gymshark from head to toe, as if I've ever been to the gym or I go to the gym. But we gotta hit a cold start on this. I know you guys are gonna enjoy this because I haven't really hit a really good cold start on this thing yet, but it's loud. So sorry neighbors, but you know, we got places to go, things to do, people to see, so let's get it. You know we like that. You know we like that. But now we gotta turn this thing around in like an 800-point turn so that I can actually load up the car. So let's do it. Oh, and also just a quick note for future reference on this video. 9,512 miles on the car, which is pretty much exactly 2,000 miles since I bought it. So it's getting mileage on it, and now we're about to go on like a 1,000-mile road trip. So, you know, it's fine, it's fine. Let's go. Let's go ahead and just 900-point turn. This is montage. Now I know what you're probably thinking, you know, why would you have to do an 800-point turn? You could have done, you know, I don't know how to drive, bro. Like, it's fine. Yeah, we gotta load this whole thing up, and when you guys see my bag, don't laugh. I had to order it on Amazon, and it's yeah, it's a little much. It's a little much. Yeah, I had to fill it. It's fine though. Like, let's start filling it. I know it's huge. I'm embarrassed, man. I never thought I'd be embarrassed to say it's too big.
A few moments later.
And just like that, let's commence the travel vlog.
I know, I roll, no drip, this a river, I roll, no drip. I roll, no drip, this a river, I roll. I know, I roll, no drip, this a river, I roll. No drip. I roll, no drip, this a river, I roll. I know, this a river, I roll. Don't slip, I be on my 10 toes. Way she threw it at me, I'm like, whoa.
I just want to throw up an update and say we made it about 3 hours, like a couple, maybe 250 so miles. And I think it ended up being around 19 miles per gallon. I'll have to check on that after. Once I move the car, I'll get a clip and show you guys. But yeah, I think we made it to about like 19 miles per gallon on the 392 Charger, which to me, pretty good.
Early the next morning.
It's the next day now, and it's early, and we got some stuff to do though. So hopefully it'll be a fun day, and hopefully it'll be a fun video. So commence another travel montage edit kind of thing. And yeah, we're running late as usual, so it's fine. So let's just commence that now.
I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tenant. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash, and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side. But I'm from the east side, this how we slide. This how we ride, yeah, this how we ride. Going pro, no lead. Make it easy like 1, 2, 3. Go, on 3, 2, 1. I fly till you can't see me. Swish, yeah. Ballin'. From the first whistle, we go all in. And one. Call it. Numbers up and never falling. Feel like I hit the lottery and proud of me, yeah. No babe proud of me, so I throw pride away. She know I stuck to the plan and I stayed out the way. Now we're spending no money, never touching the bank. Just from me the game and I'ma get it done. Don't do it for fame, do it for the ones. Ace with cigar, my damage, my lungs. Wife, you want to drive, she get what I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tenant. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash, and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side. But I'm from the east side, this how we slide. This how we ride, yeah, this how we ride. Going pro, no lead. Make it easy like 1, 2, 3. Go, on 3, 2, 1.
So after our roughly 1,000-mile road trip, I don't think it was actually as much as I thought it was going to be. Oh, the wrap is holding up fairly well now. It's, you know, it's pretty good. It's not that bad. There's just a million plugs everywhere. So I'm going to definitely need to go wash this thing now. But I didn't really record too much while we were there. I tried my best. The GoPro broke, you know, just kind of everything wasn't working out. And then the way back I didn't really record anymore because it would have been the same thing over and over again. So I just want to talk about how it handled, how it did, and eco mode versus sport mode, because I did a little test. And miles per gallon, we got some. So let me just go ahead and start the car here so you guys can see. We got 10,078 miles on the car. It's gonna be pretty loud. There we go. Hopefully you guys will still be able to hear me. I'll try and yell a little bit better here. But you guys can see here we've got 10,078 miles now after that trip, which is, you know, added a lot. Not quite as much as I expected, but, you know, just about 500 or 600. So, you know, not quite 1,000. But you guys can see 20.7 for the past mileage. It was actually at about almost 22 miles per gallon. That was with eco mode on the way back. So eco mode does actually make a difference, and it actually affects your gas mileage. Not a super amount. I'll talk about that in just 1 second. So now as far as gas mileage goes, like I said, we pushed almost, I want to say 22 miles to the gallon. We passed that 10,000 miles mark, which is kind of crazy. The car is no longer a baby. I mean, I got it with 7,500 and I've already am over 10,000. So obviously I'm driving my car and enjoying it, which is a really good sign if you guys are in the market for a Scat Pack or just a Dodge Charger in general, because ooh, I'm loving it. And it's yeah. And today is the first day also that I didn't upload a video at 3 p.m. Today's Monday. So that's a little bit strange because it's weird to me that I don't have an upload going up right now to be like worrying about or stressing about, but the stress relief is so much better. And like I said, I have this video. It's going to be nice little kind of something different. And I have another video I'm going to film like Wednesday or so. And yeah, I have no pressure to get it up on a certain time, so I can really focus on the editing and the content and making it good and entertaining for you guys. So that's really, really exciting. Now, if I go back into my pictures here, we can see that the last picture that I took was at 10,066 miles. I don't know if we'll be able to see it there. I'll pop it up on the screen. 10,066 miles, and I had 21.4 miles to the gallon. So that is pretty good, and I really can't complain about that. I want to say 5 or 6 people commented on the YouTube channel or DM'd me on Instagram saying that they saw the car and that it looked good, which, you know, that's obviously every car guy's goal, is to have people, you know, recognize and appreciate what you're doing with your car and your build, because, you know, spend a lot of time, a lot of money, a lot of effort in this, and you know, it's nice to have that like recognition for it. But yeah, overall it was a great trip, and it was amazing being able to just drive my car all those miles. You know, it's so much better going on a long road trip when you're driving something that you enjoy and something that gives you miles per gallon. You know, obviously the mileage, you know, it sucks, you know, putting like $70 or so in to like fill up from a quarter of a tank, but you know, at the end of the day, it is what it is, and that's part of the fun. Like I said, it's something you sign up for, and you get to enjoy the vehicle, and you get everything that you get with this vehicle. So overall, good trip and a good first trip. So I'll definitely be doing more of those, you know, maybe some longer distances, some more stuff, maybe go some car meets that are a little bit farther away, stuff like that. But things are about to get really entertaining on the channel here, about to have a lot of fun and do some really fun, exciting stuff. So make sure you subscribe for that. Of course, click the like button as usual. You guys know the drill, you know the deal, so make sure you do it. But that's about it for this video. Peace.
I feel like I am losing